gets turned round and round. Just like a doorknob, everybody gets turned round and round.
Ain't a locksmith out here that got a key to fit this lock, baby.
Everybody gets turned round and round and round.
Yeah. You just gotta try just a little bit harder. And don't turn it that way.
Just like the doorknob. Everybody gets turned round and round and round.
Just turn it back just a little bit.